Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Friends, in today's video we are going to talk about the writing topics, specifically the essay task 2 that are deemed important considering the September to December quarter of 2020. Some of these questions have already appeared. You might have seen them. They would have come in say like this Jan to April session, and because of the COVID, a lot of tests got cancelled in the next quarter. So we are in the last quarter of this year, and these are the topics which have got various categories. Like it might have children, it is going to have technology in this, it is going to have crime, it is also going to have housing. Now housing or home, it is the kind of question which have been miscellaneous throughout this year, but now it has started coming again and again. So I have also put 3 questions in this housing, and you will see that some questions are questions which have been coming around the year again and again. So you need to go through this question. Now I'm nowhere saying that you will get only these kind of questions, but what you can do is, just before going towards your examination, you can read these questions. You might not be sure that they might come or not, but what if any of the question exactly or similar to this might come, so you might hit the jackpot. So friends, I'll go to this. Before starting with the questions, I just want to say that I have started a IELTS writing correction service. What you can do with this service is, you can write down your task 1 and task 2 on separate piece of sheet using pencil. Please don't write computerized, because then I won't be able to judge your writing accordingly, right? So write in using pencil. When you complete the task, scan it properly, convert it into a PDF, and then you can mail it to me at ieltswitharun@gmail.com. You will find my email address towards the end of this video. Then you can send it to me, and as soon as I check it, I'll revert you back with the corrections that you can make, and you can improvise your score. So friends, this is one writing video, and now we'll be coming up with more videos every now and then related to the IELTS exam of September to December quarter. So, and if you want me to make any other video, you can just come write me down in the comment section. So let's not waste time and begin with the video. Let's start. IELTS writing task 2, September to December 2020. Let's begin with the first category, children. The first question is, these days more fathers prefer to stay at home and take care of their children while mothers go out to work. What could be the reason for this? Is it a positive or negative development? Second question, today children are spending much more time watching TV compared to the past. Why do you think this happens? Is this a positive or a negative change? Third question in this category, some people suggest that bringing up children by the whole family, including uncles, aunts and grandparents, is better rather than only by parents. Do you agree or disagree with this statement? Give your opinion and example. This question keeps on repeating, so this is important. Next category is technology. First question, many people think technological devices such as smartphones, tablets and mobile phones bring more disadvantages than advantages. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Second question, some scientists believe that in future computers will be more intelligent, will have more intelligence than human beings, while some see this as a positive development. Others worry about the negative consequences. Discuss both views and give your opinion. This has to be more intelligent. Let me just correct it. Okay, next question. Some people believe that face-to-face communication is always more powerful than written communication. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? Give your opinion and include relevant examples. We'll ignore this question over here. Next is government. Government in many countries have recently introduced special taxes on foods and beverages with high levels of sugar. Some think that these taxes are a good idea, while others disagree. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Next question, should education and healthcare be free of charge and funded by the government, or should it be the responsibility of the people to pay for these services? Next category is house. This is a sort of new category, not altogether, but the questions are coming these days from this category. In some countries, owning a home rather than renting one is very important for people. Why might this be the case? Do you think this is a positive or negative situation? Next question. Some cities create new housing for their growing population by constructing a smaller number of high-rise buildings. Other cities create more of low-rise buildings. Which solution is better in your opinion? Next question. Some people believe that restoration of old buildings costs too much. We should demolish them and build new ones instead. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Next category we are having is environment. Scientists believe that the world is in danger due to environmental changes. Some people say that personal lifestyle changes should be made to reduce the damage to environment, while others think that the government should do something to help. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Next question. Environmental issues have always been an international problem because governments are not imposing harsh punishments against offenders. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Support your answer with specific reasons and examples. Next question from this category. Many efforts have been made by countries to address challenges concerning the environment, but the situation has not improved. What are the possible reasons for environmental degradation? Are there any solutions to combat this problem? Support your answer with specific reasons and examples. Next is from advertisement. Many companies sponsor sports as a way of advertising themselves. Some people think this is good for the world of sport, while others think it is negative. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Next question. Some of the methods used in advertising are unethical and unacceptable in today's society. To what extent do you agree with this view? Next category is travel. Some think that students must travel to another country in order to learn its language and customs. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Next question. Tourism is becoming increasingly important as a source of revenue to many countries, but its advantages should not be overlooked. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Next category is crime. Some people believe that there should be a fixed punishment for each type of crime. Others, however, argue that the circumstances of any individual crime and the motivation for committing it should always be taken into account when deciding on the punishment. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Next, crime is a big problem in the world. Many believe that nothing can be done to prevent it. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Give your own opinion. Next question from this category. Experts say, it's not from this category, it's a miscellaneous question. Experts say older people were happier and healthier in the past because they did more exercise and spent more time with family and friends. Whereas now many suffer loneliness and health problems. What are the causes of this and what are some solutions? So friends, these are the questions. You might see them in the September to December quarter. And if anyone wants this PDF, you can just write me down in the comment section and give me your email address. I'll send the PDF to you. And I have also started a small thing which I've been continuing for long now. It's a writing correction service. Get your task 1 and task 2 checked for free. What you're gonna do is you're gonna scan your writing in a PDF format, and then you're gonna mail me at ileswitharun@gmail.com. So once I receive this file, I'll check it as soon as possible and revert it back to you. So friends, if you like this video, you can click like and share it with your friends who are appearing in this quarter for the examination. And if you want me to make a video on any other specific topic or on any topic related to IELTS, then please feel free to write down to me, or you on my email, or you can write it down in the comment section. I'll do it as soon as possible. Till then, thank you so much for watching this video and all the best for examination. Thank you.